It's 2024. I own a flip phone. You're probably wondering, what are you, a fucking boomer? Oh, almost 40 years old. Maybe I am a boomer, but besides the point. But that flip phone is a byproduct. It is a byproduct of explosive, destructive anger at its worst. And you want to know where this explosive anger got triggered from? It was simply me trying to list a bench for $50. The thing is, I pulled the damn bench out, and my dad's like, "What the fuck are you doing?" He's like, you ain't selling that," and I got pissed. I got really legit upset. And he's like, "Oh, we might need that just in case." I might just fucking tear the damn thing apart. Nobody can fucking use it then. I might just go get a fucking demolition fucking saw and cut the fucking thing up, and then nobody can fucking use it then. Because right now, that fucking bench, it's just sitting there behind a fucking couch. Besides that, me and my dad don't see eye to eye on some things. We do not see eye to eye on certain fucking things. We do butt head when it comes to treating anxiety and depression. He knows. My father knows that I'd rather just not take pills, and he knows I don't want to do that route. He knows I don't want to do it, but he's just trying to project it. He's like, just take. It's pretty much like, take the fucking pill. God damn it, why don't you? That's the message I get with that subject. That's the message that I fucking get every time we go around talking about that, and it comes up every time. This subject of matter, it comes up every fucking time. Every fucking time. Depression, anxiety comes up. Every fucking time.